all over this, right?
I need to tell Jessica about this initiative because they get some work.
She can launch that campaign. You know, if we had ice plowers, we would be all set.
True.
Just once a year, we get an ice plower. Not a thing, but wouldn't that be nice? It's not a, I'm just joking, y'all. It doesn't exist that I know of.
Look for it.
Well, I was just thinking Domino's could really keep some of that money if they pick Birmingham, Miami, Florida. Hey, those are the cities we're going to work on for you guys. We'll make sure the roads are cleared, the snow
All
clear.
clear.
Well, we don't have any snow in the forecast. It is a little chilly to start off the day. It's a live view from Lincoln at Talladega Superspeedway. We are not as cold as yesterday, but still cool to start off your Friday morning. A few clouds pushing through the state, but so far we are dry, and that's going to be the case for much of the day today. Temperatures sitting in the 30s for most of us. There have been a few isolated spots dip below freezing. Talladega, Jasper, and Gadsden coming in below the 32-degree mark. Everybody else above the freezing mark this morning. And as we head through the day today, those temperatures continue to trend up. We'll make it up into the 60s this afternoon. There is a rain chance, but for most of us, that rain is going to hold off till this evening and tonight. That's when showers start to return to our forecast with additional cloud cover and some rain ongoing. Temperatures only dipping down into the 50s this evening. And that light rain is going to be out ahead of our next weather maker. So let's go to the Futurecast and talk about this. Again, a few passing showers possible overnight tonight, and then through the day Saturday, a few off and on showers. No heavy rain through the afternoon, though. We will stay relatively dry through Saturday afternoon. Just passing showers. No heavy rain in the forecast. That holds off until Saturday night as a cold front starts to approach the state. Here comes that line of storms out of Mississippi. And some of these could be on the noisy side. Note the timing here. This is going to be a late night event for us with the heaviest storms approaching places like Birmingham and Alabaster by about maybe say anywhere between midnight and 3 a.m. By 4 o'clock in the morning, these are pushing east of Birmingham, and by say sunrise, the storms are pushing out of the state with some lingering rain through the first half of your Sunday morning. But by Sunday afternoon, we will be trending dry. Now, there are some ingredients coming together that could support some stronger storms with this, including this, a low-level jet stream setting up out ahead of these storms. And this is some wind energy that storms could tap into. Some of these wind gusts here climbing above 60 miles an hour. This is about a mile and a half above our heads, though. Not all of this wind energy will make it down to the ground, but some of it will. In fact, even before storms get here, as we head through Saturday afternoon, it will be a bit breezy in a few spots with some wind gusts climbing above 20-25 miles an hour. But note the forecast model picking up on this possibility that as storms are rolling through, they're mixing down at least pockets of higher wind energy in the state. So there could be some spots here that see some stronger wind gusts and potentially an isolated severe storm. Our limiting factor for severe weather will be unstable air. We will have some, but not a ton. So overall, this will be an event that is probably dealing with a few isolated pockets of damaging winds. That's the main concern across central Alabama, although particularly for the northwest corner of the state, I can't rule out a brief tornado. But overall, this is not a high-end severe weather event. We are looking at perhaps just a couple of isolated instances of damaging wind and severe weather. The rain tapering off through Sunday and then getting cool and dry as we head into next week. Ani, David.